Today we have the brand new 2024 Tesla Model 3, the Highland edition. All new, it's upgraded. One of the upgrades is that it now has a center screen in the rear. We've put a screen protector on the front. You've seen that countless of times before though. So now we're gonna put one on the back. Yes, the new Model 3 has a rear screen, and so we're gonna do it with that one right there. I'll have the link for this little guy in the description below so you can check it out if you want to protect your rear screen. I know my front screen on the edges definitely has some chips. The screen protector, not the actual screen itself, thank goodness, because I've accidentally hit it with my watch, and yeah, that was definitely pretty scary because I cracked the edge of the screen protector, thankfully not the screen. Inside of this one is going to come with a microfiber, come with 2 squeegees, multiple dust wipes, multiple wipes themselves, so you're pretty loaded up in here, and your instruction manual, of course. There is a screen cleaning mode. I didn't find out about that until later, but just know that there's that on the back, so when you're cleaning it, you don't just wipe around and scrub through all the different menus of the little screen. So before we put the screen on, of course, use the dust wipes, use the dust adhesive, use the screen cleaning. Make sure you do all of that to make sure your screen is clean. Wipe that bad boy off, make sure it is factory fresh, and then you can get ready to put that new screen protector on. Yours might be a little bit different, but the one I'm using has these little tabs on the back. And what we can do is after you peel off the back plastic to reveal the adhesive, you can grab the tabs and kind of align it with the screen. So it's pretty nice, and I found it quite useful. And then once you're done with that, you're just going to peel it off. From there, all you're going to do is squeegee. Just squeegee up and down the screen. Again, remember, pretty sure there's a screen cleaning mode, and you use that because you see that I'm just going through all the different menus right now. I would definitely look for that screen cleaning mode, but it's done. Look at it, guys. What do you think? So all the touch controls still work. Everything is still good. I am super happy with this screen protector. Oh, and there you can see the screen cleaning mode. Yeah, this screen protector, I'm super happy with it. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Would you get one for your new Model 3? Do you have a new Model 3? What other upgrades should we do to this Tesla Model 3? It's brand new, 2024. It's not mine, it's my friend's wife, and she's pretty simplistic. So if you got any cool mods, just let me know.